What happens when curiosity meets creativity? When young minds explore big ideas? Families came together to find out at their local Family STEM Day, an unforgettable day of discovery and innovation. Kids of all ages dove headfirst into a world of hands-on challenges and exciting learning experiences, focused on coding, robotics, AI, engineering, and augmented reality.
We think it's a very good education for the kids to learn about the latest science and technology. He's been having fun with the computers.
Volunteers from Google were thrilled to be a part of this incredible experience, helping to demystify the technology that powers our world.
They get taller than me.
How tall they are now.
They're huge.
Families learned more about the wonders of data centers, machine learning, and artificial intelligence through activities and the real-world stories from our event volunteers. The internet we use every day is supported by real infrastructure and brilliant minds, right here in our communities. It's about empowering kids to see technology as something they can understand, influence, and even build their future with. The impact of these practical learning experiences goes far beyond just one day. A spark of curiosity can lead to lifelong passions and incredible career paths.
I like engineering and AI. AI is you get to take pictures, and I also like engineering because we got to build a golf course.
Google is proud to partner with Discovery Education to amplify access to STEM education for kids across the country. It's about investing in our community's future, fostering the next generation of thinkers, creators, and problem solvers. Don't miss out on the next opportunity to explore, discover, and ignite your passion for STEM. Stay tuned for more exciting events like these, bringing innovation and inspiration directly to you.